Alright, first quarter. First ball by Tropang Camote. Foul. Foul number 15, De Vera. First personal foul, first team foul. Lima lang yan. May mga susunod pa ba? Meron naman siguro.
Maaga.
First throw by Perez is good. Second throw. Yes sir, 2 out of 2. De Vera. Pass to, sino ba to? 49. 2 points by De Vera. In 30. Mendoza, pass to Messina. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 points by number 6. 6 red. Texon. Third over. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza all the way off the glass. Offensive foul by number 3, Mendoza. First personal foul, first team foul.
Magkaanak ako dito, kapatid niya.
De Vera. Perez, in and out. Mendoza, 3-2. Perez, back to Mendoza, off the glass. Yes, sir. Tisha score 7-2, 5-point lead by Tropang Camote. Three points by De Vera. Steal. 2 points by number 49. It's a deadlock, all 7. $15 seconds to shoot. Escatron. Short. De Vera taking 3 points by De Vera. Change favor. Lalo na po ng tatlo ang Puso Colors. 10-7. Perez, perimeter shot is good. 2 points. Remaining time 6 minutes, 20 seconds to play. First quarter. Almost.
Boss, anong apelido ng 49? De Leon po.
Perez, perimeter shot is good. Change favor again. 11-10, 1 point lead by Tropang Camote. 5 minutes, 40 seconds to play. First quarter. De Vera. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost steal. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal. Mendoza. Pass to Texon. Pass to Escatron. Perimeter shot off the glass. Yes, sir. 13-10. 3-point lead by Tropang Camote. De Leon. Put back by Okoy, 2 points. 13-12, 1 point lead by Tropang Camote. 4 minutes, 50 seconds to play, first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Perez, 2 points. Foul. Foul number 6. Texon, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot by De La Cruz. First throw is good. Second throw, 1 out of 2. Mendoza, 15 seconds to shoot. Perez, 2 points. 17-13, 4-point lead by Trovac Camote. De Vera, pinasa sa ilalim, De Leon. Ball fake, pass to De La Cruz. Perimeter shot, wala. Rebound by Texon. Pass to Perez. Pass to Mendoza. 15 seconds to shoot. Messina, pass to Escatron. Missing 2 points. 19-13, 6-point lead by Trovac Camote. Malakas. Ogul, 2 points.
Parehas lang na gamit na timeout.
Mendoza. Pass to Perez. 15 seconds to shoot. Messina. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza, chicken three. Pasa lang mala. Steal by De Leon. Pass break by De Vera. De Vera all the way. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin makuha yung range. Stretching muna sir. Stretching ng kote. Messina. Messina ulit. Pass to Escatron. Basket may kasama pang foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 10, Okul. First personal foul, second team foul. Body shot by Escatron. To complete the 3-point play, 22-15, 7-point lead by Trovac Camote. 2 minutes, 40 seconds to play, first quarter. De Vera, chicken three. Almost. Ayun na, pass break again. Perez. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Perimeter shot is good. 24-15. Siyam na buwan lamang ng Trovac Camote. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to De Vera. Pass to De Vera. Oh, ball fake. Basket is good. 2 points. 24-17, 7-point lead by Trovac Camote. 2 minutes to play, first quarter. Mendoza. Pass to Texon. Pass to Escatron. Escatron. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Nakakit naman. Parang mga ano. Bahay nila. Perez. Still, De Vera. Ay, taas. 1 minute, 25 seconds to play. First quarter. Mendoza. Back to Texon. 15 seconds to shoot. Perez, perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Grabe naman. Parang bahay nila mo ha. Sinasablay ha.
Nasa YouTube, yung bata lang walang magawa. Punta, tira sa may bahay.
De Vera, babawiin. 3 points. 56 seconds to play. 50 seconds to play. Yun, mag-tested. 32 seconds to play. De La Cruz all the way. Uy, pinasa pa kay Okul. 35 seconds to play. Basa. Ihip. Ilang pag-ihip yan. 25 seconds to play. Mendoza, uy, pinasa pa. 20 seconds to play. De Leon. Uy, in and out. Okay, yun. 12 seconds to play. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter. Alright, second quarter. De Vera. Almost. Rebound by Escatron. Pass to Montero. Ayun na, pass break. 2 balls by Texon. Tama ba, Texon? Oo. De Leon. Pass to De Vera. Pass to De Vera. Back to De Vera. 3 seconds. Violation.
Pamukha ba to? Pamukha ba to?
Rodriguez. Escatron. Ayun na, Montero. 15 seconds to shoot. Grabe naman pasahan yun. Uy, sayang po. Uy, wala pa rin. De La Cruz. De Leon. 2 points. 32-24. 8-point lead by Tropang Amote. Almost steal. Escatron, dribble the ball. Pass to Montero. Ball fake, pinasa sa ilalim. Steal. Okul. All the way. Lays up. Yes, sir. 32-26. Ano na lang po ang alaman ng Tropang Amote? Texon, pass to Rodriguez, tingin yung malakas. Kita-kita dito. Good. De Vera. Pass to De Leon, perimeter shot, wala. Foul by number 7, Rodriguez. First personal foul, first team foul. Na matanda. De Vera. Pass to De Vera. De Vera pa rin. Almost. Foul. Foul number 6. Texon. Second personal foul. Second team fouls. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Naka-play. Grabe naman yun. 2 points by De La Cruz. Apat na lang ang alamangan, 32-28. Montero, pinasa kay Escatron. Basket, may kasama ng foul. Foul number 13. Third personal foul. Body shot by Escatron. Wala ang ball siya. 34-28, 6-point lead by Tropang Amote. Remaining time, 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Second quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon, perimeter shot. Off the glass is good. 24-30. Rodriguez, dribble the ball, pass to Escatron, malakas. De Leon. 3-on-2 pass break. Pass to De Vera. De Vera, chicken three. Wala pa rin. De Leon, 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Good. Montero, naghanap ng mapapasaan. Pass to Rodriguez. Pass to Texon. Uy, grabe pasahan. 2 points by Rodriguez. 36-30. 6-point lead by Tropang Amote. De Vera pass to De La Cruz. Perimeter shot. In and out. 5 minutes to play. Second quarter. Montero. Pass to Rodriguez. Perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by De Leon. De Leon, dribble the ball. All the way. Short. Diba by Messina. Pass to Rodriguez. Pass to Montero. Montero. Nagawin ni Rivera. Almost. 14 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez for 3. Short.
Naris.
10 seconds to shoot. Escatol. 3 seconds violation. Hold. De Leon. Tumira ng 3. Out. 4 minutes to play. Montero, perimeter shot, in and out. De Leon, pass to Rivera, pass to
Elmo.
Okay,
Elmo.
all the way. Pass to
Elmo.
Elmo, kasama pang foul.
Elmo.
Foul number 7, Rodriguez. Second personal fouls. Third team fouls. Substitution, correct?
Elmo.
Sige pa, labas, pasok, labas.
Time out lang.
Time out. 2 ballers. Vision score 36-32. Apat na lang po ang alaman. I-complete the 3-point play. Tatlo na lang po ang alalangan. 36-33. 3-point lead by Tropang Camote. Passing. Pass to Rodriguez. Single 3, Babaluyen. 3 points by Rodriguez. 39-33. 6-point lead by Tropang Camote. De Leon. Pass to De La Cruz. All the way. Off the glass. Yes, sir. 39-35. Passing. Dribble the ball. Mendoza. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinasa sa gitna. Steal. Almost. Good. 8 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation. 3 minutes to play. Second quarter. De Vera, dribble the ball, pinasa sa ilalim, De La Cruz. Uy, wala, mahina. Passe, on the way. Side step rule of the glass, yes sir. 41-35. De Vera, dribble the ball. Pass to De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. De Vera, single 3. In and out. Rebound by Passe. 2 minutes, 20 seconds to play. Uy, malakas. Turn over. De Leon. Pass to De Vera. Single 3. Yo, 3 points. 41-38. 3-point lead by Tropang Camote. 2 minutes to play. Second quarter. Pass to Rodriguez. Babawiin. Uy, tabi niya. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Seconds to shoot. 2 points by Messina. 43-38. 5-point lead by Tropang Camote. De Vera, pass to De Leon. Pass to De Vera. Almost. Rebound ng Kampe. De Leon, siya naman tumira. Almost there. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute to play. Second quarter. Oh, perimeter. Wala pa rin. Foul number 9, Passe. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tropang Camote. 57 seconds to play. De Vera, short pa rin. Foul. Foul, De Vera, 13. Third personal foul. Second pala, sorry. Second personal foul, second team fouls. 50 seconds to play. 45 seconds to play. 40 seconds to play, 15 seconds to shoot. Traveling, violation. 32 seconds to play, 32 seconds. 30 seconds to play. 25 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to play. De Vera. De Leon. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds. De Vera, 3 points. End of the first half, official score 43-41, 2-point lead by Tropang Camote. Yasi Aminu. All right, third quarter. Lima lang talaga ang bubo, lalong sumunod. Palse, pass to Perez. 2 points by Texon. 45-41. De Vera, almost. Ibabay De Leon. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Okul. 2 points by Okul. 45-43, 2-point lead by Tropang Camote. Palse. Palse, dribble the ball. Pass to Perez. Pass to Texon. Pass to Montero. Pass to Escatron. Foul. Foul. Number 5, De La Cruz. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots by Escatron. First throw is good. Second shot is good, 2 out of 2. 47-43, 4-point lead by Tropang Camote. De Leon, pass to De Vera. 15 seconds to shoot. De Vera, almost. Rebound by. Foul number 10, Okul. Second personal foul, second team fouls. Texon, perimeter shot, wala. Last touch by Tropang Camote. Pugo Ballers basketball. De Vera, nagmamadali. Pass to De Leon. Umatras, single three, diretso dito. Turn over. Passing through the wall. Pass to Escatron. Pass to Perez. 12 seconds to shoot. Montero, perimeter shot, wala pa rin. Foul De La Cruz. Second personal fouls. Third team fouls. 2 shots by Escatron. First throw is good. Mudi, wala akong pilisin, Mudi. 2 out of 2, 49-43. De Vera dribble the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Almost steal. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. De La Cruz, pass to De Vera. Single three. Malakas pa rin. Okul, perimeter siya. It's no good. Rebound by Palse. Palse. Nagmamadali. Fast break. Uy, ang lakas. Miscommunication. 6 minutes, 45 seconds to play. Third quarter. De Vera, pinasa sa ilalim. Okul. Malakas. Rebound by De La Cruz. Steal by Perez. Perez, 3-on-2 pass rate. Perez, tuminto. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Grabe naman yun. Pera shot yun ah. Swerte ah. De Vera. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Sa balaksa. Malakas ang tira. Rebound by Escatron. Pass to Palse. Palse, dribble the ball. Pass to Perez. Wow, yeah. 53-43. 10 na po ang halaman. 10 na ang halaman ng Tropang Kamote. Perez na naman. Short. Nasa naman. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Nice try. Okul. Pinasa sa kita de Leon. De Vera. 3 points by De Vera. 53-46, 7-point lead by Tropang Kamote. 5 minutes, 30 seconds to play, third quarter. Salamat po. Nice pass. Pass it, ball fake. Binali, almost still 5 seconds to shoot. Perez, in and out. Napagod na. Ayun na, De Vera all the way. Easy ko na yan. Time out, Tropa. Third quarter. Perez. Pass to Montero. Putback by Escatron. 2 points. 55-48. Ayun na, pass break. Ball fake. 2 points by Okul. 55-50. 5-point lead by Tropang Kamote. 4 minutes, 35 seconds to play, third quarter. Palse. Palse touchdown, back to Palse. Perez again, perimeter shot is good. Grabe. 57-50. De Leon. Pass to De Vera. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to De Vera. 10 seconds to shoot. De Vera single three, almost 4 minutes to play, third quarter.
Nakakain ka pa, boy? Choy, punta ka naman to. Bagal-bagal ko kung dito.
Perez, wala. Perez again. Grabe. 59-15. 9-point lead by Tropang Kamote. De La Cruz, 2 points. 59-52. Palse, dribble the ball. All the way, lays up. Escatron, 2 points by Escatron. 61-52. De Vera, 2 points by De Vera. 61-54.
Wala kang tama, kaya ka mabagal eh.
15 seconds to shoot.
Tangin na wala mong malaki.
3 minutes to play. Montero, foul. Foul, De Vera, number 15. Second personal foul. 1 for penalty, 2 ballers. 2 shot by Montero. Opo, pangalawa po. First throw is good.
Bigyan mo kami yelo.
In and out. One other two. 62-54. 8-point lead by Tropang Camote. Traveling violation. Substitution rep. Escatron out. Messina in. Alright. Let's go. Paulsen. Pass to Textor. Textor almost. Guevara all the way. Easy 2 points. 62-56. 6-point lead by Tropang Camote. Montero. Pass to Perez. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes to play, third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Leon, binalik. Malakas. Montero. Pass to Paulsen. Paulsen. Back to Montero. Pinasa sa gitna. Perez. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Ay, wala rin. Okay. Pass to Rivera. Pass to Leon. Easy 2 points. Apat na lang po. 62-58. Almost steal. 1 minute, 20 seconds to play. Third quarter. Steal. Ay, malakas ang pasa. 1 minute, 5 seconds to play. Third quarter. Official score 62-58. Dapat alam po ang kalamangan ng Tropang Camote. 55 seconds to play. 50 seconds to play. Almost. 37 seconds to play. 37 seconds to play. Rivera. Almost. Rebound by Montero. 30 seconds to play. Almost steal. Montero, pinasa sa ilalim. Steal by De Leon. 20 seconds to play. Okul. Easy 2. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Basket is good. Eksakto po ang pag... Alright. Fourth quarter. Let's go. De Leon. Almost. Sa kanya pa rin. Perimeter shot. Rebound by Paulsen. Foul. Foul. Okul. Third personal fouls. First team foul. This is your last and final quarter. Rodriguez, pass to Mendoza. Perimeter shot, wala. Rebound by Escatron. 66-16. 6-point lead by Tropang Camote. 15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz, thinking 3, almost. Rebound by Escatron, Mendoza. Naghintay ng kasama. Pinasa sa kita, Messina. Back to Mendoza, perimeter shot. In and out. De Leon, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Traveling violation. Escatron, pass to Paulsen. Pass to Rodriguez, single 3, almost. 40 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez again, perimeter. Wala pa rin. Ibabay De Vera. Foul. Foul number 9, Palset. Second personal foul, first team foul. Two shot by De Vera. First throw is good. 66-61. Two out of two. 66-62. Palset. 8 minutes, 10 seconds to play for your last and final quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Messina, pass to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost steal. 5 seconds. Mendoza, short. De Vera all the way. Pass to Okul. Elizabeth is good. 66-64. Time out. Messina. Pass to Rodriguez. 15 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez. Wala. Ayun na naman. All the way to the basket. De Vera. Shoot 2. It's a deadlock. All 66. Perez, pass to Mendoza. Pinali, malakas, wide shot. Jump ball tayo. It's Tropang Kamote, basketball. Opo, 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Foul. Sparek. Foul. De La Cruz. Third personal foul. Second team fouls. Two shot by Escator. Basket. Bonus shot, sorry. Bonus shot by Escator. Sa kanya pa rin. Lamang ng dalawa ang Tropang Kamote. 68-66. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Rodriguez, derecho. 3 points. 71-66. Limo po ulit ang kalamangan. De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. De Leon pa rin. Pinasa kay De Vera, babawiin, short, kita-kita. 2 points by De La Cruz. 71-68, 3-point lead by Tropang Kamote. 6 minutes, 15 seconds to play for your last and final quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Mendoza, 10 seconds to shoot. De Vera. Pinasa kay Villar, pinasa kay Okul. Ball fake. Probably violation. Messina. Good. De Vera, pass to De Leon, ball fake. Foul. Foul number 3, Mendoza. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shot by De Leon. First roll, in and out. Zero out of 2. Foul. Is correct. De Vera, number 13. Third personal fouls. Third team fouls. Time out. Pubu Bowlers. Official scores. Rodriguez. Dribble the ball. Pass to Perez. Perez. Back to Rodriguez. Pinasa sa kita, Escator. Traveling, violation.
Traveling lang, traveling.
Last 5 minutes to play. 5 minutes to play. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera, perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. 71-70. Last 4 minutes, 30 seconds to play. Rodriguez. Pass to Mendoza. Steal. Ayan na, lalaman mo ba? Oh, lakas. De la Cruz. Rivera, sinking 3. Foul. Usparet. Foul number 49, De Leon. First personal foul, 1 for penalty. Uy! Nagmadali. Last 4 minutes to play. It's a change favor. Lamang na po ang Pili Bowlers ng isa. Foul. Usparet. De Leon. Second personal foul, penalty. Substitution rep. Pugo Bowlers under penalty situation. Change favor. Lamang na po ng isa ang Pugo Bowlers. First throw by Rodriguez is no good. One out of two. It's a deadlock again. All 72. Rivera, pass to De Leon. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon, perimeter shot. Short. Kita. Escatrol, pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Escatrol. Pinasa sa kita Perez. Swerte yan. Tubo by Perez. Change favor again. Lagang po ng dalawa ang tropang kamote. Okul. In and out. Good. Okul. Wala pa rin. De Leon. Good back. It's a deadlock. All 74. De Leon. Pinasa sa talikod. 3 minutes to play. Rivera. 3 points. Lamang ng tatlo ang Pugo Bowlers. 77-74. Grabe naman yun. Rodriguez. 3 points. Grabe ang bawi.
Wala tayo. Tao lang.
Last 2 minutes, 35 seconds to play.
Take it lang.
15 seconds to shoot.
Dali.
Okul, 2 points. 79-77, 2-point lead by Pugo Bowlers. Texon, dribble the ball. Texon, pass to Mendoza. Back to Texon. 15 seconds to shoot. Rodriguez, babawiin. Almost. Foul. Usparet. Foul number 5, De La Cruz. Substitution rep. De La Cruz. Warning for foul out. Penalty. Pugo Bowlers. 2 shot by Escator. First throw is good. 79-78, 1-point lead by Pugo Bowlers. One out of 2. Naribang pa na tropang kamote. Last 2 minutes. 2 points by Perez. Change favor. Lamang na ulit ang tropang kamote. 80-79. Rivera. Tura ng 3, tabungi. Good. 14 seconds to shoot. De Leon. 2 points by De Leon. Change favor again. 81-80. Labang ang bumuballers ang isa. Last 1 minute 35 seconds to play. Steal. De Vera on the way. Lays out. Malakas. Ang laki yun ng layup. Montero. Pinasa sa gilid. Perez. Rodriguez. Almost. Montero. Wala pa rin. 40 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute 2 seconds to play. Last 1 minute 15 seconds to shoot. De Vera. Almost. Foul. Foul. De Vera, number 15. Third personal fouls. Penalty. Official score 81-80. Lamang ng isa ang Pumu Ballers. Remaining time, last 50 seconds to play. 50 seconds to play. Two shot by Escatron. First throw is good. Wala pa po, second team fouls pa lang. Ito po, nasa taas. Change favor again. Lamang ng isa ang Tropa Cabote. Last 45 seconds to play. Last 40 seconds to play. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Long two. Last 24 seconds to play. 24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 50 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. Pwede po yan. Pwede po mag-time out. Meron pang isa. Wala lang time out ng Pumu Ballers. Galing po sa basket. Okay lang po yun. Next game, SSB versus 13. Alright. Last 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Let's go. Five seconds.